Alright, so this is Jonathan's brother's car, Nephi. And this is the third engine in this car. And I just got done pulling the head and replacing the head gasket because he blew it up, and holy sludge and gross and crap. Anyways, I just put it back together. It took me about, like, what, an hour and a half? Yeah, about an hour and a half worth of work. Everything's all put back together. The only thing we're waiting on now is Johnny's brother to bring an oil filter and some oil. And probably some seafoam, because I think we're going to run some seafoam through it to clean up the sludge, and then change the oil about 50 miles again. It'll be a little expensive, but better than destroying the motor. Anyways, we'll be back with you guys, probably with it running, hopefully, thank you. And hopefully it's the last time I have to work on this little hatchback. It's a pretty nice little car, though. It's clean, all leather interior. It's got the premium decal stickers on it. All leather seats. Everything. This car is clean. Yeah, I'm just gonna steal this from your brother's car, and we'll just we'll paint my car white. You won't even notice, dude.
Yeah, right?
I know. Anyways, we'll get back with you. Hopefully it'll be running. We have